If you like this video, please press the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also give it a thumbs up. You can also support this channel with a donation by using the link in the description. It is frequently claimed that science only deals with naturalistic explanations. Commonly called methodological naturalism, this is a requirement artificially added to science. This artificial addition is made despite the fact that it is not part of the scientific method. Apart from the fact that naturalism is a philosophical requirement for satisfying atheists, there is no real reason for excluding supernatural hypotheses. The argument is often made that a supernatural hypothesis does not make testable predictions and so cannot be falsified. This contention is based on an overly broad idea of a supernatural hypothesis, such as the general notion of God did it. The problem with such a claim is that the example is deliberately way too broad. You have the same problem with the hypothesis that natural processes did it. It turns out that a supernatural hypothesis, or theory including one, can not only produce testable predictions, but have produced successfully tested predictions. The key in both cases is that the hypothesis has to be narrow enough to have specific consequences that can be used to produce predictions. Furthermore, both natural and supernatural are artificial designations that are easily unified within the information universe. Natural refers to those things that deal with the regular functioning of the universe. This includes the forces of nature and everything considered natural laws. Things are natural when they are associated with the regular functioning of the universe. Super means above or beyond. Consequently, supernatural would be that which is above or beyond natural. One way of looking at the idea of supernatural phenomenon is that it results from what is going on behind what we see as the natural world. This means that the real supernatural is not some spooky concept simply defined as unexplained. Any real phenomenon that qualifies as supernatural would be based on what is going on behind the reality of our universe. This by its very nature includes God and the possibility of other spiritual beings that can interfere with what is happening in our world. Unifying the natural and supernatural within the information universe is simply a matter of recognizing that our universe is fundamentally a programmed information system. Consequently, both natural and supernatural phenomenon would result from changes in this information. Furthermore, what is above or beyond natural is the level of the programming and the programmer, that is God. This means that a supernatural phenomenon within our reality would be one that results from a deviation in the regular programming, either new information being added or the regular programming being modified. These modifications can be permanent or temporary, but they can produce permanent results. This aspect of the information universe effectively unifies the natural and supernatural. It simply means that anything that qualifies as supernatural is operating at a different level than the regular functioning of the universe. A natural event is part of the usual functioning of the universe. A supernatural event, by definition, is above or beyond the usual functioning of the universe. This means that a supernatural event would result from an alteration at the level of the universe's programming and calculations. This means that God or any other being that can operate at this level could trigger a supernatural event. It means that a real supernatural event is not only possible, but that it is more than just something that is unexplainable by science. In fact, it actually makes the supernatural explainable by science. This effectively unifies the concepts of natural and supernatural because they both extend from the programming and calculations of the universe. The supernatural is not magic, but programming. Consequently, God is not a magician, but rather a programmer. Here are some upcoming topics for you to look forward to. Fine-tuning this theory, predictions, how this can be falsified.